Hi, let's create a date table in Power BI, but we'll be using R. So first of all, get some sample data in your Power BI. So click on use sample data, load sample data, and then there's a built-in spreadsheet which has two tabs. So financials, click on financials and click on load. That'll bring in the sample data set in our instance. So you can see on the right hand side, we have financials there, and there's already a date column in there. But we are going to create a separate date table, which will enhance the usage of this date. So let's create an R script first. I'm using these libraries and creating a data worth of 20 years as a date. So I have a date column in there. Now let's create some extra fields in there, like number of days in a month, day of week, etc., quarter, whether it's a weekend or a weekday, semester, financial years, calendar year, previous year, etc. So with that, we are ready. We'll just copy this script and then go back to Power BI. In the Home tab, click on Get Data, click on More, and type R space script. This is going to bring this option, R script. Click on that, click on Connect. And it'll open up a dialog box where we're going to copy the script which we created in RStudio. So copy and paste and click on OK. So why do we need this date table? It actually provides us a lot more extra fields which we can use for date manipulation reporting. So we have our data, click on it and say OK, and it'll get imported as a table. So you can see that all the date fields are there. There's one more step which we need to take. Click it on the mark as date table. Finally, go to the relationship tab so that you can see both the tables side by side. We need to link them together. So I'm going to link the date with the date column. So dates from both the tables are going to be linked. Click on Save. So now let's see, by creating the charts, the benefits of the date table. So financials, I've picked up the sales, and from the date table, I'm going to pick the text day of the week. So for example, Monday, Tuesday, I'm just going to sort it up. We have different videos which helps you to understand the sorting, etc. But there we go, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday is the first day of the week. You can go and change that in your R script. So I'm going to create another table using sales and financial year. There we go. Again, financial year starts for me on 1st of July, but you could have gone and changed that in your R script, which we created. So I'm using semesters, calendar years together. So you can see it's showing the years in the semester or the quarter. So you can do various combinations of your date fields from the date table which you have created. So you've actually seen the benefit which a date table brings to you. It gives you a lot more extra fields which you can use in your reports table. And this is a way of creating it in R. And those of you who don't work with R, you can obviously go and create this date table in Power BI directly. So I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.